My darling family, I brought this video for you. After watching this video, you find stitch braid very easy to learn and to finish, guys. In this video, is comb is being used, not the magic ring. See how it goes? You start your stitch with your natural. This is just a natural heel, no extension added on this braid. See, the first one you cut it, then plait it like 3 braid up before you use your cutting comb to cut the second one, guys. Just carefully watch this video. See how it's going? Yes, you have to hold it in between the 3. See, just divide your hair. Always use your hand to calculate it. Divide your hair in 3 places. See how it's going? Please just patiently watch this video carefully. Yes, this stitch is being done with comb and just your natural hair. You see how it's going? Then you cut the third one and start to add it. Remember that you're taking that hair, the first one you are holding, joining it to the second one you just cut. So you keep on doing that step by step. It doesn't take that much time. See it? Yeah, use your hand, then divide it again. Just watch carefully. See it? You turn it to your left hand. See how it's going? Very, very easy. Braid doesn't take time. It's very, very easy if you patiently want to learn it. Yes, you can as well save this video and learn it over and over before you can practice it like 4 to 5 times. My day, you will get used to see the way it's going. Yeah, you have to divide it into 3 places. See it? You are taking that one you just cut, then adding it from the right to the left. I believe after watching this video, you will find braid, not just this stitch braid, you will find braid very, very easy to make. It doesn't take time, family. See how it's going? Very neat. If you don't know how to use your magic finger or your nails, your face, you can use your comb and you still achieve a beautiful stitch. See it? I believe this video is so clear. Very clear. You keep on cutting your hair with your cutting comb, because some people don't know how to use nails, some people don't feel nails. So you guys don't panic. Comb is still good to go with it. Please, my darling family, you can save this video and watch this video over and over again so that you achieve your stitch and even know how to braid very well. I believe this video is the easy one. Yes, very, very easy to learn. And please, family, remember, if you have not subscribed, do not forget to please subscribe for me and share this video so that others can benefit from this video. See how it's going? Watch it very carefully to the end. Please do not forget, please, and please share this video. I want everybody to learn this stitch. Share it, like this video and comment. Subscribe, very, very important. Thank you so much and see you guys in my next video. I appreciate you.